Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and today I just thought I would show you a little bit of our home, the front room, and give you a bit of a tour, and also just mind the squeaky floors. But you could say this is a typical Canadian home, a lot of English style and influences, traditional decorating, and I do have all my collections, which maybe most people don't have as many collections, but I think that people enjoy the antiques and the various types of decorating styles. So I just thought it'd be nice to show you a little bit of the house before I do my Christmas decorating, because I'm going to be doing that soon, and I didn't want to then not have pictures of what things look like before. And there's my white ironstone display. So I'm thinking about painting this fireplace mantle and the brick. I was going to do white, and I was wondering what people might think of that. So leave me a comment if you think I should. But that's how it was when we bought the home a couple years ago. And we did redo the floors. They were the original oak floors, and they were a honey oak. And they've all been renovated and refinished. So we were really happy with the outcome of that. And this is the front hallway, and we had put in some new windows to take out these stained glass windows that were there before, but that's the original door which we painted. So we really are enjoying those windows. And then as you come in, you see my washstand, and I just like putting different displays on there. You've seen some of those in my mini vignettes. And there's Brandy. Hey Brandy, what you doing? And there's my purple porcelain display, which I still have up. So I'm going to be switching that one out and doing a Christmas display there. So stay tuned for that one. And then on this side, it has some dried flowers, and that's a desk that I've had for quite a long time, which I really enjoy. And then my husband, this was his grandmother's display cabinet, so he has a lot of memorabilia from British Airways and BOAC and things when he used to work in England and in London. So that's his collectibles there. And of course, some of those have been passed on now to the kids. So and on that far wall, there is the Thomas Kincaid print that we bought on our cruise. And my husband really wanted to get that big of a print. And finally, we got it framed for this house, and it's just a beautiful scene. Here's a little bit closer view, but the reflection doesn't help. But it's just a nice Christmas scene. It's just beautiful. So my husband really wanted this print, and that was what we got. So I'll take a better picture and there. Is that a bit better? Oh, the lights are still in the way there, but anyway, so you get an idea of that. And this is a hutch that was my mother's, and I was really happy to get it because it matches the dining table, which was also hers. And she thought that it would be good for us to use her dining table when she no longer needed that big of a dining table. And we've used it a lot over the years. So the hutch, being a matching hutch, was really good to get. And there's Brandy barking. And so we have some Bateman prints on the walls, and there's a finish painting that one of my cousins did, which I'm quite proud of. That's been passed down in the family. And that's the Bateman print. And some of you saw this display as well, my ironstone display. Now this is a Welsh dresser as well, or a miniature version of one. And I got this one not that long ago. A fellow had it, so I really wanted to get something else from my ironstone that wasn't a white hutch, and my other rock maple hutch wasn't quite right. So I have 2 more hutches in my office, believe it or not. So my office is jam-packed, and I have taken videos in there in the past, but right now it's really overflowing, so I can't do too much for videos there. So, and then I tried to do a little bit of a table arrangement for fall, but I just was feeling not quite into it to get my fall display going after I'd done my brown transferware display. So that's the one that you see here. And some of you may have seen that collection already in my other video. And then I just had happened to put together a little bit of a fall display on my hutch here on the sideboard. And that's a sideboard that my husband's mother had given to him, and the town vicar had given to her, and he was really happy to get that and brought it over from Wales. There's an Alan Sapp print that's a local Saskatchewan artist, and he's very well known in North Battleford and surrounding areas, all over Saskatchewan and the western provinces. So that gives you an idea of the front of the house and the living room, dining room area. We've got quite a bit of space. I keep saying we. It's going to take me a long time to get used to not saying we, but anyway, I feel like it still is we. So I'm really looking forward to doing some decorating for Christmas, and I'll be decorating this hutch as well, dressing it up a bit. And then we usually put our Christmas tree over in the corner over here somewhere, so that's where it'll be again. And I'll be switching out my pillows and things and more decorations for Christmas, so that'll be great. And I'm going to be going to a couple more craft fairs on the weekend, so those should be good because I'll be getting some good Christmas items, hopefully more vintage decorations and all that. So see you again soon, and thanks for stopping by. And if you like this video, I hope you can subscribe to my channel and you'll get all the notifications for more videos. Thank you.